Everyone, and welcome to CIS 101 Computer Fundamentals and Applications. This is a brief overview and tour of the course. This is the announcements page where you will land when you first come into the course. You will see a welcome announcement from your professor here. Be sure to read it carefully for the way to get started in the course. You will want to check this page every time you log in to see if your professor has shared a new announcement. The next menu item you will see is the syllabus course info. Which explains all the requirements of the course. Okay, here's the course syllabus. Has information on how to get help and provides a week-by-week schedule. You will want to download the syllabus, read it carefully, and consult it frequently. In the syllabus course info area, you will see all the videos for the course, the rubrics, and you will also see the textbook. Okay. Textbook, the course rubrics. Okay. And instead of using a traditional textbook, this course uses an online courseware application that you will be able to access for free in the weekly assignments folder. You can also download a copy of the textbook in case you want to study or do your readings even when you do not have a reliable internet connection. All right? The next area of the course that you will want to know about, okay, is the Unit 1A. Okay, Unit 1A. This is where you will find all the content and activities in the course for every week. Let's look at Unit 1A Introduction. In each folder, you will see the weekly task and the reminder of the due date for all the assignments for that week. There are no surprises in this class. You may see a list of specific tasks broken down into steps, and then you will see the content and assignments for that week. In this case, the tasks are to review the syllabus, introduce yourself, choose a team manager, familiar yourself with the online textbook. You'll find the syllabus in the course syllabus. You can introduce yourself by right here, introducing yourself. You will also have to know what your group is. Okay? And your group, get your group, go into Tools, click into Groups, and you will see your numbers. Okay, you don't see all of these numbers because this is the faculty or the professor's page. But you will either see Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, or Group 5. If you do not see a group, email me or text me immediately because you do have a group assignment. In this course, you will have discussions with your group throughout the semester. And you can get started by clicking on your groups. Okay. In addition, to get to know Lumen, hold on a second, content. Okay. Scrolling down, okay. Succeeding with Waymaker, getting to know Lumen Waymaker, okay. Click on the folder, you'll see, and then go through all the information. The next folder is Introduction to Computers. It is one of the units from the textbook that you are invited to complete this semester with some good background info on computers and also an experience using the courseware to see how it works. This unit is not graded, but it gives you an idea of the way the remaining units are organized. Once you have completed the study plan, you can complete the Introduction to Computers, okay, the quiz. Again, this exercise on Introduction to Computers is not graded, but you will get to see how the quizzes work. Now let's get into discussions. Going into discussions, here you will find the Q&A, which is where you should post all your questions about the course. If you have a question that is private, you should email your professor directly. Any other questions about the course you can post here. And everyone is free to respond to the Q&A, not just the faculty member. Okay? Last but not least is a little info about your faculty member. Okay? It's in the video. About your instructor. Okay? Your instructor. I am your instructor. If you have any questions about how this course, about this course, or how to navigate the content, how to complete your assignments, or anything else, be sure to post in the Q&A forum or reach out to your instructor. Have a great semester, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.